Welcome to my channel R Maths World. Dear friends, today we want to see the inscribed angle. What is meant by inscribed angle? Before this, I request all of you, please subscribe my channel and share it and like also. We want to see the inscribed angle. I draw some figures here. A circle. Again, second figure here is also a circle. Center P, Q, R, yes, and I draw angles in this way. Here, the vertex of this angle is out of the circle. In this figure, vertex of angle is on circle, and third figure, in this figure, vertex of an angle is in the circle, and here is again I draw one figure in this way. I draw some figures here. In this figure, in this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In these 5 figures, this is the inscribed angle. This is the inscribed angle. What is the condition for inscribed angle? This the vertex of angle. Suppose A, B, C is an angle. Here is also X, Y, Z, M, N, P. Here angle is L, M, N, Q, R, S. Dear friends, observe these figures. I say it is the inscribed angle figure. Inscribed angle figure. Why? Because the vertex of this angle is on the circle, and the other 2 points are also on the circle. Therefore, it is the condition for inscribed angle. The vertex of angle is on the circle, and the sides are also, the end points of the angle is on the circle. Here end points are on circle, but the vertex is out of circle. Here end points are on circle, but vertex is in circle. Here there is no any point on the circle, no, not vertex or not end points. And here vertex is on circle, but one point is out of the circle. End point of angle is out of the circle. Hence the inscribed angle figure is this. It is called inscribed angle. Here I draw this figure again. A, B, C. It is the inscribed angle. Inscribed angle. And this arc is called intercepted arc. Intercepted arc. Now inscribed angle and intercepted arc. दोस्तों, आपके ख्याल में आया होगा कि इंस्क्राइब एंगल और इंटरसेप्टेड आर्क क्या होती है. अब हम देखेंगे इंस्क्राइब एंगल थ्योरम. इंस्क्राइब एंगल थ्योरम. Inscribed angle theorem. Theorem is that the measure of inscribed angle is half of its intercepted arc. Means measure of angle ABC is equal to half of measure of arc. I denote this arc as AXC. And vice versa. If we want to find the measure of this arc, then measure of this arc is twice of inscribed angle. Remember it, measure of this arc is twice of inscribed angle. थैंक यू दोस्तों, यहाँ पर हम रुकते हैं. अब इसकी कोरोलरीज देखना है हमें, इंस्क्राइब एंगल की आगे की कोरोलरीज. Dear friends, we want to see the angles inscribed in the same arc congruent. Means these two angles, B angle and D angle, are inscribed in this same arc, that is ABC, and the inscribed arc is, intercepted arc is AXC. Inscribed angles are B and D, intercepted arc is AXC. If they are in same arc, then these angles are congruent. देखिए दोस्तों, ये इन सेम आर्क इन्होंने इंटरसेप्ट की हुई है दोनों एंगल ने, तो ये दोनों एंगल क्या होते हैं, कॉन्ग्रुएंट होते हैं. ये हमें यहाँ पर देखना है, देखा है. अभी जो है ये याद रखना है आपको कि जब दोनों एंगल इन सेम आर्क में होंगे तो वो कॉन्ग्रुएंट होते हैं. Second corollary is angle inscribed in semicircle. If this is the this is the semicircle or half circle. This is the half circle. Then this is right angle. Then the measure of angle B is 90 degree. Understand? Then we see the cyclic quadrilateral theorem. Corollary of this inscribed angle theorem, that is cyclic quadrilateral theorem. The corollary is that in cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles are supplementary. Opposite angles are supplementary. Dear friends, first we see what is meant by cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral means what? If the vertices of the quadrilateral, these are the four vertices of this quadrilateral, A, B, C, D. I draw here quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Dear friends, look at the figure. The vertices of this quadrilateral is on the circle. Therefore, it is the cyclic quadrilateral. And the theorem is say the opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Means angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 and angle B plus angle D is equal to also 180 degree. the sum of these two angles is 180 and sum of these two angles is also 180. It is the theorem of cyclic quadrilateral. If we want to prove this, then try to prove this. Here first we write the given part. Given part is quadrilateral ABCD is cyclic quadrilateral. To prove, what to prove? We want to prove that angle A plus B, A plus angle C is equal to 180 and angle B plus angle D is equal to 180. Now proof. Proof is start from the given part. Given part is that the ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, and therefore I write here the measure of angle A. Angle A is equal to angle A. Angle A. What is the measure of angle A? Angle A is nothing but the inscribed angle, and its intercepted arc is this BCD. Therefore, the measure of angle A is half of 1/2 into measure of arc BCD. Look at this, dear friends. This measure of A is equal to half of BCD, and measure of angle C is equal to half of this. This is the inscribed angle, and its intercepted arc is BAD. Therefore, measure of angle C is equal to 1/2 into measure of arc. Which arc? This start from B via A to D, BAD. This is first, this is second, and what is the reason? Inscribed angle theorem. The reason for both is inscribed angle theorem. दोनों के लिए एक ही है कि इंस्क्राइब एंगल थ्योरम की वजह से ए का जो मेजरमेंट है, ए का जो मेजर है, माप है, वो कितना आने वाला है? 1/2 इंटू मेजर ऑफ आर्क BCD, एंड सी का जो मेजर है 1/2 इंटू BAD. देखिए, अब फ्रॉम 1 and 2 we will take the sum angle A plus angle C. We want to take angle A plus angle C. What we get? Angle A plus angle C means 1 plus 2. Angle A is, the measure of angle A is 1/2 into measure of arc BCD. I write here measure of 1/2 into measure of arc BCD plus the measure of angle C is 1/2 into measure of arc which BAD. In this way. Now we take the common. 1/2 is common. If I write here 1/2, angle A plus angle C is equal to 1/2 into bracket. अगर 1/2 हमने कॉमन निकाल लिया तो इन ब्रैकेट क्या रहेगा? मेजर ऑफ आर्क BCD प्लस मेजर ऑफ आर्क BAD. Now friends, the measure of arc BCD means this plus this. What is the figure we'll made from these both arcs? It is the circle. ये क्या फॉर्म होगा? उनके दोनों के आर्क से सर्कल, और सर्कल का जो एंगुलर मेजरमेंट होता है वो 360 डिग्री होता है. एंगल A प्लस एंगल C इज इक्वल टू 1/2 into 360. Therefore, if we divide 360 by 2, it is 180. Angle A plus angle C is equal to 180. In the same way, we prove angle B plus angle D is equal to also 180. In the same way, angle B plus angle D is equal to also 180. Dear friends, I hope all of you understand this.